What's up guys, it's your boy Junior here, bringing you another great video to the channel. So if this is your first time here, guys, I do a lot of stuff on this channel. It comes to product reviews, tech reviews, game reviews, live gaming, and even live streaming from time to time. And sometimes I might throw in a little bit of vlogs in there from time to time. But I do all types of stuff, guys, so if you like all that stuff and more, just make sure you hit the subscribe button, guys. And while you're hitting that subscribe button, guys, make sure you hit the notification as well so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you never, ever want to miss out. All right, guys, so today is going to be a great video. As you see, I'm outside because today is going to be a product review for car stuff. All right, so, guys, when it comes to cars, the biggest hassle to deal with when you got to do this is changing a tire. Especially if you don't have one of those professional shop jacks, which I do. That's not a problem with that. Those fast jacks that you can lift up the car. But for everybody uses one of these to change the tire. These are scissor jacks. These things are annoying for one reason only, is the way you use them. This one right here, you put the hook right here and you just keep turning it until it goes up and brings up the car, and then you can take off your wheel. As most of you guys know, if you've done tire changes, these things take forever to jack up. And it's annoying because this thing goes in one direction and you gotta keep, not one direction, but you gotta keep going and going and going. And it just takes forever because the way it's set up is you use this hook and you put it there and you just keep turning little by little. It's not like a power jack, you just jack it up like this and it goes right up. Right. So, I was able to go on TikTok one of these days. I was on TikTok and I found a cool tool that they sell that I didn't even know existed. I was like, oh, I gotta get that tool. This thing is cool. It's called a scissor jack wrench. And this is what it looks like. I'm gonna bring it up close so you guys can see. It's just a wrench like this, makes it easier because this right here, you hook up the scissor jack output and you stick it in here. And this turns. As you can see, if you hear it clicking, I'm gonna put it closer to my mic. See, so it's clicking this direction here, guys. See? So to push it up, it goes this way. Now, if you want to go the other way, so let's say you want to put the pressure going this way instead of this way, you just flip this little switch right here, and now it's gonna click going down like it wasn't doing before, and pressure going up this way. Now, you can say you can just flip it. Here's the thing about flipping these. These, if you flip it, as you see, there's an angle. Because depending on the jack, sometimes you don't have enough space on the bottom so it gives a little bit of angle, so you add more of a way to jack it up. So that's why it's like this. Now, look at the inlet on there. That's how it looks. So this works on most cars, not all cars, because some jacks, when it comes to cars, especially big vans or trucks like this van here or my pickup truck, they have a lug nut at the end that uses basically a lug nut wrench that you have to use to bring it up. So this tool won't work. Another scissor jack that won't work on this would be the one I just showed you, would be this one right here. Why would this one not work? For one reason only, because of how the hook it is. They sell adapters that you could just put on here and convert it so you can use it with this. Because as you see, it has two inlets here. Let me bring it up like this. It has two inlets, so this won't fit here. Like it'll fit in the hole, but I can't adjust it, put it in all the way. So if I try to put it in the hole here, like it fits in there, but it won't let me do it correctly. So this is the one that came with my Honda. That's the reason I want to get it. So what I did is, instead of keeping this one, I bought a new one, which most cars has these type of jacks. It's another scissor jack. This is a Honda scissor jack, but most Hondas that I know have this little hook right here. See how it's just a single one? And basically you put the hook here and then you just turn it. That's how this works. So now when we want to use it, we put it here and then we just turn it any direction we want. So I did get this jack because that jack came with the original Honda. For some reason, the S2000 has the two hooks on it. Don't know why, but it is what it is. So I made use of it. Still works. I'm still gonna keep both of them in the car, and I'm gonna keep the wrench. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring the camera down, I'm gonna show you how it looks down here and how it works, and just to make it very simple. All right, so let's go and switch over now so you can see. All right, guys, so we're here at my car. Don't mind my dirty wheels. I haven't had time to wash it. Like I mentioned earlier, I've been really busy. I had a lot of different life changes in my life happening, so I've been super busy. That's why I haven't made any videos. I haven't gone live streaming. I've just been super busy with life, so that's why I haven't had time to do anything. But anyways, back to this video like I was getting to. So we're gonna take our scissor jack. Remember, this scissor jack wrench right here works if this is this kind of end on the scissor jack. It has a single thing and it's flat like this, not the lug nut or not the double one. Remember, if you have the double one, there's still adapters that you can hook in there and you can use this jack, this wrench with. I went and bought another jack just to be safe, and I'm gonna keep the second one as well in case I need to lift a little bit up from one way or the other. Doesn't matter. All right, and I'm pretty sure they sell adapters to use this with the one that has the lug nut at the end. So you can take a look at that. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this, put it underneath the car. I'm a little dirty. And then I'm gonna put it here. Once I put it there, I always do what I always do. I always tighten it with my hand so it gives it a little bit of tug in there so it doesn't move. And then now I put my wrench in here. Okay, it's going the other way. All right, so now I go like this, and as you see, the car is going up. I don't know if you can tell yet, but look how much easier this is instead of trying to do it with the other wrench the long way. But look at that, guys, it's going up. I don't know if you could tell, but I'm not gonna go all the way up just because it takes forever. But as you see, it went up and works awesome. And now if I want to go the other way, keeping the same thing, all I have to do is flip the little switch here, and now I take it down. And look how fast it is, guys. Look how fast I take it down. All right, so now I did that. Take this out, and boom, there you guys go. Look how easy that is, guys. Very, very easy. I think it's a great little tool right here, guys. I'll leave a link down below so where you can get it. I did get it from Amazon. I believe I paid less than $10 for this wrench right here. I don't remember exactly, but I'll leave a link down below so you guys can go and check it out. Guys, if you like this video and everything I had to do today, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support you guys love to show me. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring, and we want to make sure that everyone's aware of everything we do on this channel so they don't miss out, just like you're not missing out. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so, stay tuned to the guys, hit the subscribe button, enable bell notifications so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you never ever want to miss out. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.